The battle over mask mandates continues tonight with a judge giving a temporary win to school districts. A circuit court judge in Arlington ruled today in favor of 7 school boards that filed a lawsuit challenging Governor Glenn Youngkin's executive order allowing parents to decide. WFXR News' Kelsey John Baptiste joins us live in studio to break down what this means moving forward. Kelsey, good evening.
Good evening to you, Kathleen. The judge ruled today that mask mandates can remain in schools. The question was whether or not the governor could supersede the state constitution, which says, quote, the supervision of schools in each school division shall be vested in a school board. The answer, according to the judge, was no. It's important to note it's only a temporary halt, which Youngkin plans to appeal. School boards across the Commonwealth held votes on their district's mask policies in the wake of Youngkin's Executive Order No. 2, with some lifting mandates and others maintaining the rules they adopted. The temporary restraining order issued does not reverse those votes, but instead prevents parents from sending their children to school without a mask despite a school's district's policy. We spoke with attorney John Fishwick about the legal proceeding. He says this is just the beginning.
I think likely, though, it's not going to be decided by the Virginia Supreme Court, and it's even possible that the United States Supreme Court could weigh in on this.
Fishwick adds that it boils down to who has more power, the school boards or Governor Glenn Youngkin. Arlington Circuit Court Judge Louise D'Amato says that by keeping rules in place that have been already established throughout the school year helps children, families, and staff understand the impact of the pandemic.
The governor will appeal this, I'm sure. And this litigation will go on for a while. This is just the first volley in the litigation.
The governor's spokeswoman in a statement released today says that the state intends to appeal the decision, later writing that they will never stop fighting for parents to choose what is best for their children. This case in Arlington Circuit Court is not the only legal challenge to Youngkin's mask order. A group of 13 Chesapeake parents filed a petition in the Supreme Court of Virginia asking the justices to rule that the order is unenforceable and grant an immediate injunction. But the court did not take any action before the order kicked in.